Scorpio, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you may visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking deeper clarity, be it in your love lives or your career, for a personal consultation, you may write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Scorpios, it's a lovely, lovely, lovely October for you. We have the big news is Jupiter is going to be moving in your sign for a year. And more about that in a bit. Let me break down the month for you. On the 5th, we have a full moon that is there in your house of day-to-day chores and your health. And this is a time where you're going to be looking in the mirror and saying, that's it, I'm starting that exercise program. You crush out a cigarette in disgust and you quit smoking and you throw up your arms and you say that, okay, this is not how I'm going to get treated at work, and you quit. Now, these are just some of the examples that a full moon can do, wherein that the sense of realization, a sense of expectation, and saying that, okay, this is where the buck stops, I'm not going to be going ahead this. If it activates the rest of your personal planets, or it can be a far more intense or dramatic. Your proclamations can be that much more dramatic. Of course, you don't need to sort of burst forth in emotional declarations, especially if you plan things in advance and they don't really sort of catch you by surprise. Avoid blaming other Scorpios during this surge of emotional energy that you experience for things away that may not be going as you want them to at your workplace, and get going on your exercise or your nutrition program that you have been for the longest. And it's a time also where a certain project will come to a completion. On the 11th, we have Jupiter, and that's moving into your own sign for a year till about 8th of November 2018, and a spectacular movement this is. And Jupiter, however, at the beginning of the as it transits through your first house, it is conjunct to your ascendant. It is marking a lot of time with optimism and cheerfulness. And throughout its journey through the first house, Jupiter is going to bring noticeable improvements to your environment as well as self-confidence to your personality. And you're going to be obviously very expansive, exuberant, and enthusiastic. And this transit is going to heighten your optimism and it increases your generosity. The cycle has a potential for being in a very relaxed, fortunate, and a very hopeful space for you. And you're going to be looking at life with a fresh can-do attitude, and what happened in the past is not really important to you right now, Scorpios, and it's a future that you're going to be eyeing right now. And you're going to be filled with a lot of faith for the universe, that everything is going to get worked out. And it's an excellent time for self-improvement. And dealings with the public are quite favored, and others tend to look at you as quite the leader, and they are quite keen to hear as to what is it that you have to say. Events that occur during this time, they can help you overcome the problems that you may have had or the challenges that you may have experienced earlier. And you're going to be very conscious of the fact that you want to create a very good first impression as to how it is that you come across to people. So furthering your personal ambitions and interests is going to come very easily to you, and you're going to feel quite comfortable pulling favors for yourself during this time, and also others tend to accept you quite readily. However, you might need to guard against being too full of yourself or being too obsessed or even overly absorbed with yourself, and they can be a risk of overindulgence in the form of extreme behavior. Be watchful of weight gain during the Jupiter transit as well, because a carefree attitude doesn't mean that you have to be careless with it as well. On the 15th, we have Venus that is moving into your house of behind the scenes. And this is the house of where we go and recharge our emotional batteries. And Venus over here is going to be focusing a lot on charity. It's a time to give. It's a time of service, Scorpios. So be of use to someone. Maybe an animal shelter. Maybe for children who can't afford better. Make yourself available, and if you have resources where you can, then please do go out and do your bit. On the 18th, we have Mercury that is moving into your own house again, and it's joining Jupiter, and it's a time where you're quite likely to speak up about matters that you were previously mulling about, and you're going to be, disposition is going to be quite intellectual, and self-expression is something that will come quite easily to you, Scorpios. You're going to be sharper than usual, more observant, more inclined to live in the head, and relationships with siblings, neighbors, classmates, and even casual friends, they could become quite prominent right now, and it's likely that you will initiate discussions during this time, evaluate your appearance and the impact that you have on others. And this is a time also to be direct and communicate your needs and interests. And you could be more inclined to talk about yourself and your personal past right now. And this may also be a restless time when it is difficult to turn the thinking process of when it would be better to relax. So this entire Jupiter transit, it's especially a very fruitful time for endeavors that require dealing with words. You know, especially if you're dealing with people, and you'll find that you're very, you're able to articulate, and you're very playful. You're able to negotiate and speak and get your needs across in a very easy way. On the 19th, we have a new moon that is there in your house of behind the scenes, and it's a wonderful time. It's a great space for doing research, a great time for solitude, and it gives you a new opportunity with the new moon that you can create something new. And like I said earlier, it's a house of service. So maybe you get associated to a cause that is really close to your heart. For some of you, it may mean that you if earlier you have just been sort of volunteering and you've not been doing it full time, you may identify it as the work that you really want to do. So this is a new opportunity really to see beyond what really is. You know, it's more than your just going and recuperating or resting. It's a time where you really need to be going out and giving and finding places or organizations which you feel really passionate about. On the 23rd, we have Mars that is also moving into this house, and Mars is going to make you push to do some amount of research and also to reflect upon your goals. And it can be a time where your past actions catch up with you, Scorpios, and it's not necessarily a bad thing, and it could be a time where a lot of your energy is channelized into private matters, or when you prefer that others do not observe what you're doing. And this is natural because just as well, some of us do our best work when we are alone. And unconscious behavior problems, however, they could influence the way that you assert yourself. So some of you may experience insomnia during this time. And also, if you're not giving yourself a chance to recuperate, whether, and this actually even includes daydreaming, so you have to be watchful. So try and sort of rest your mind a lot, ensure that you're getting plenty of sleep, and also your imagination could be running riot during this time. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Scorpios. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.